There are not many new developments in the world of fire extinguishers, but today we've got one. Welcome to the Firephant. Now, this is a strange looking, designer looking fire extinguisher, but it's great for the home, and what better than to have something that's designery? This is actually designed in Sweden by those clever people that make Saabs and Volvos and things like that. It actually won a Red Dot Design Award, which is pretty important. But let's see what you get in the box. Good start. We get instructions in English, one of those, and great packaging. This on top is a bracket, and it's got screw, so you can fix it on the wall. I'll show you how the bracket works in a minute. And it's got that, which stops it going off with carriers. Now, move that over there, take it out of a bag. The bag protects the paint from scraping off inside the box. And pop that on the floor. And here you have a Firephant fire extinguisher. Now, you can see a very clear pressure gauge. The top, this is a plastic handle, and it holds like that in one hand. Easy. Very, very obvious as to how to hold it. It's got your instructions on the front, as required by the standards, and it has its CE mark on the back. Everything else you need to know. It actually contains 1 kilogram of multi-purpose powder, and it's a good rating of powder as well, because it has an 8A rating, and it also has a 34B rating, which means it's suitable for all types of fires. A rating is for paper, cardboard, wood, things like that. B rating is for flammable liquids. A C rating is for flammable gas. It will even be good for that, so good for a caravan camping holiday. And the way it works is, see on the top it has a pin. You simply pull that pin out and then press the top. So one-handed operation, left or right-handed, you just press the top and point. This here is the nozzle. There's no need for a hose or anything like that. I'm going to put that there, show you how the bracket works. So pop it off the bracket, and if you see, it's got a couple of lugs that snap in, and that's all it's going to show. In your kitchen, in your home, in your caravan, this is a fantastic extinguisher. It's lightweight. The height is 290 millimeters, roughly 1 foot in old money. Diameter 100, it's about 4 inches. It's easy, it will go anywhere, and it will put out any fire that you could possibly imagine having in your home. If you'd like to know more or to purchase one, just simply follow the links at the bottom of this video.